My body ache is sore. I know when it rains it pours. It rains more and more, because I know when it rains it pours. I want you to know that I love you. I wanted the best for you. I know sometimes we didn't see eye to eye, but every family has its arguments, that's no lie. I just wanted you to have the best life. You're tough as nails, you didn't give no shits what anybody thought of you. You rode a long ride down that sail. Now you're gone and I can't process it like a failed sent mail. But now you're in a better place with your mom and family. We'll meet again someday, and I pray for now you're gonna watch over us and make sure we're okay. For now we'll meet again someday, I pray. My body ache, it's sore. I know when it rains it pours. It rains more and more, because I know when it rains it pours. She was the mother, stepmom, grandma. She was everything to us. Rest in peace. You know, we had 2 deaths in the family. 2 deaths. Rain it pours. When it rains it pours. I just want you to know you were family. Rest in peace. Grandma needs. I just want you to know you were family. Rest in peace. Grandma needs. We haven't met a whole lot, but when we did, we laughed and grinned, because it was a good time, good feeling. You know I'm gonna be taking care of your granddaughter until I die. Best believe that's my life. I would do anything for her. She might ride or die. Just know that I will always got the family's back. They might ride or die, and that is no lie. Oh man, it's been a hard week. I don't know what to say anymore. I'm weak, I don't know, but I pray to my knees. Look at me, I mean every bottom to my heart. I will protect my family. I don't know how to express myself, but sometimes I gotta get on the mic and express myself. I gotta brainwave, that's just how I think. I don't know what I'm gonna do today, but this is what I gotta say. Hey, I want you to know you were family. Rest in peace. Grandma needs. I want you to know you were family. Rest in